Hello everyone and welcome back to another video. In today's video I'm going to show you how to view monthly progress in Strava. So to view your monthly progress in Strava you need to follow these steps that I'm going to show you. It's available for both mobile app and web. So some features also require the Strava subscription, so I advise you, if you want to use this app or if you already using this app, you need to have the subscription to get access for too many features. Alright, so let's dive in and open our app. So just by tapping on it, it will be directly forwarded into the home page. As you can see, this is the home page. But I want you to go into your profile by going into you right here in the bottom right corner. Tap on it. Alright, and after you tap on it, it will be forwarded also directly to the progress section. So right here, what I'm going to do is to go into see more of your progress. Alright, and as you can see right here, I have the choice to see the progress for the days or the monthly progress, 1 month, 3 months, 6 months, even the year progress. So just by tapping right here, I will see the progress and the last month and only 1 month. Here, last 3 months, last 6 months, etc. Even you can see the progress of a week, 7 days. And yeah, you are able also, and as a bonus, to see the progress of the time and the time, elevation gain or activities, and even you can change the sport just by tapping right here on the sport that's shown to you. And then you can go into all sports and you can see the progress in general. Anyways, that's it. That's how to view monthly progress in Strava, and thank you so much for watching. Goodbye.